What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you're ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below. We will get after it, so be ready to make money in both directions. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, Yolanda blessed us on today. She got a very, very nice testimony that you all need to hear because she is representative of so many people. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Yolanda, coach is thanking you in advance. I'm going to reach out to you because I got to get on you for some stuff too, though. Hi, Chris. I joined the Discord about 3 weeks ago and have still been unable to locate the meetings in the Discord. Can you please tell me exactly where to locate the meetings? I have been looking for them almost daily. Apparently, I'm missing the information. But on the flip side, I have still been able to win. I made my largest money back ever trading Meta today. $13,777. She was absolutely in her bag. Listen to this, guys. She said, after I got my tail kicked on this Tuesday, when the market fell out, or as you say, they pulled the rug, that taught me a few things. Listen to the lessons she learned along the way, guys. The first and foremost important is get your money and cash out. We call that see profit, take profit. That means sell when you're up. Whenever you're in green, whenever you're in profit, you are to sell. Don't ever let a green play turn red. She said the second thing is that I did not participate. We call it the victim Olympics. She said the loser Olympics, but I knew exactly what she meant. We don't run in the victim Olympics around here, guys. If you find yourself doing that, this ain't the place for you to be. I dusted myself off and got back in. 3, to participate in the market in a meaningful way. I believed in myself. It starts with self-belief. Do you believe in you? Because it all starts with you, guys, and I need to make sure you believe in yourself first. No matter what I teach you, it won't work if you don't have self-belief, okay? She said, I took out a $4,000 cash advance on my credit card and wired it to my account. Not saying that you condone this, but I didn't want to touch my emergency funds. So this was a resource, but also my interest rate is only 16%, so the opportunity cost was worth it. Also, a very important factor that made me have this success today is the timing on my candlestick charts. I set them at the 5 and 15 minute. I tell you every day, guys, if you want to win, if you're trying to trade, you need to be on the 15-minute time frame. The 5 is good too. Stay off the 1 and 2. The 1 and 2 minute time frames, y'all call me every morning. And when you lose, I already know how you lost before you guys even tell me. And that's what I love about you guys. Y'all call me whether you win or lose. But I already know when you lost because I know what time frame you made the mistake on. The 1 minute and 2 minute is the trick, trap, and frustrate crew time frame. So sometimes, guys, you can avoid that altogether by being on the 5 and the 15. That's what she's alluding to, okay? And that's where she was cooking at. She said the 5 and 15 minute timing points much better than that of the one. Look at her. She even mentioned that of the 1 minute timing had previously been using. For whatever reason, all new traders and investors use the 1 minute. I don't know why. I don't know how that came to be, but I see it. I'm the only person in the game that talk to y'all every day. And I got tens of thousands of people that I talk to throughout the month. And the people that lose, one commonality, guys, is you guys are trading on the 1 or 2 minute time frame. Really the 1 minute. And so look, this quick example, then I'll get back to it. The 1 minute may have a false big green candle. You might say, oh, this stock about to take off. Let me jump in. Have you ever jumped in a play? Soon as you get in it, it go right down. You already losing as soon as you jump in. That's a false breakout candle. You never would have seen that on a 5 minute or 15 minute chart because the candle won't even form until 5 minutes or 15 minutes has passed, okay? Please remember that note. I rode Meta like a Bronco. I made at least 10 trades. Next time I will work smarter and not harder. My largest net from a single trade was over $6,000. She is cooking, which was a record for me as well on the day of my total of $13,777. This is not including the $4,000 investment, which I have already removed and deployed to a different to do the same thing. Then I will return it to the credit card company. You have such insightful content. My best advice for anyone needing help is to watch all the videos so you can capture the essential nuggets. I have not been able to get into the morning discussions. I have learned a great deal from the videos that activated my prior knowledge. I love that you include your faith. Thanks so much, Yolanda. Yolanda, she just gave you guys a handful. She gave you guys a handful. And I love the realness about it, okay? Guys, you know, Coach, I don't even want y'all at payday loans, so you know I don't want you taking money off your credit card to do this. In her case, it worked out in her favor. She gonna pay the credit card back. I might need to have a sit-down coaching call with her just to make sure I keep her on the right track, because I love her belief in herself. I love her skill set. For her to be able to do what she did, guys, that's crazy work. That is crazy work, and I love it. So there's some good in that, okay? I just want to tighten. I'm just here. I'm guardrails. Coach is just guardrails for you guys. I have a bevy of wisdom, a bevy of knowledge. My bag is extremely deep, and I'm compassionate about people, okay? I got the patience to walk alongside you guys and teach you a skill that can change your life. But we got to still be responsible in the things we do as well, okay? But that was Yolanda on the day. She made my day when this came through, because I just love the raw nature of it. And I know so many people can relate, all right? But you guys already know, we got to dive into these stocks, because this is what Coach do. Y'all ready to make some money this week? Let me know down in the comments below, okay? Let's go ahead and get into it. We kicking it off with the SPY. Ticker symbol SPY. This is the S&P 500, guys, sitting at 579.50. It's already down $1. Let me see how far it was. It was down $1.40 to 579.09. Okay, so listen, we have a lot of weakness right now, but we are also getting near support. And so that means we might have some upcoming opportunities. But guess what? We don't front run. We don't guess or gamble. What do we do around here? We react, okay? And so check it out, guys. I want you to keep your head on a swivel. We are in a range right now around 585 to 575 is where we're going to play at to start this week. Be in the Discord, guys, and everybody else consider joining the money team. I'm going to guide you to victory so you guys can make money first thing Monday, just off the SPY alone. This ain't even what I'm gonna do for you guys with Tesla, okay? So when you know your levels, you can change your life. I don't miss. So when you get in the Discord, read the SPY play and the Tesla play. Read it intently, okay? I'm giving you everything it's gonna do, all right? And so again, there's clues in it, and it's just meant for you to win, all right? That's the SPY, guys. 585, 575. We are in the $10 range, okay? It's more of a lean to the downside if we can't get above 585, okay? Now, if we get above 585, we can try to go capture 590. That's another discussion. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. They got to show us they can do that first, okay? We don't front run. We don't guess or gamble, all right? 575 to 585 is what Coach wants you to look for. So if you don't see 585 get broke, I want you to buy puts and take it down to 580. And then if we lose 580, I want you to take it to 585. Let me know if that's understood. I'll make it more plain in the Discord for you. Next, I got Tesla. This is already down $2.45. It popped up to $3.94. This one's similar to SPY, but in a different price range. This one can't get above $3.99, $400. And so if this can't do that, it's been having a lot of support at $3.88, and it's a little bit more at $3.79. So this one is in a $20-ish range itself that is stuck within, but they're waiting for something. Okay, we got CPI this week, guys. We got PPI this week. Okay, then earnings season is about to start. Plus, we got the presidential inauguration. Okay, we got a few catalysts that can either take us higher or take us down. Again, we don't guess, we don't front run, We don't gamble, we react, okay? So that's Tesla, guys. Be in a Discord for Tesla. I'm gonna make sure you win with Tesla. I'm gonna make sure you win with the SPY and what else you choose to play and cook with. I'll let you guys do that, okay? But these two, you're gonna always make money with every day. Every single day, 5 days a week. Alright, you should make money with SPY and Tesla, because I don't miss. Alright, so watch these levels as it relates to these two plays. 400, okay, to 388. If we can't get above 400, we coming back to 388. And if we lose 388, guess what? We're coming down to 373. Know your levels, change your life, all right? AMD. Now, I'm going to be watching these. These are going to be on Coach's radar, okay? I'm sharing them with you today, but these are the types of things I'm studying just to see how low this can go. I wish I would have bought a put on this. I could have made 100K to the downside. I told you, I want you guys to make 100K when the stocks go up, but I also, around here, if you rock with me, we make money in both directions, especially if you want a 100K challenge. And the money team already know, this is already understood for those that graduate and are eligible for the money team. But once you guys matriculate and you get to that level and you can join the money team finally, we make money in both directions over there. But this play, I want you guys in general, overall, to make your 100K when stocks go up, but I also want you to make 100K to the downside, okay? Or 50K when they go up, 50K. There's no shortcuts, but you can do it in both directions, okay? AMD, I'm going to be watching this one just to see for future weakness, continued weakness, or where would this bottom at. But boy, is this going to be a beautiful play when it finally gets back to the upside. But I don't want to over leverage myself prematurely. So Coach going to watch this one like a hawk, because this one might be one of those ones for it. I just wish I would have told us about it to the downside too. I think I told us about it to the upside, but I'm talking about to the downside, because I could have made you guys a lot of money. But I got some for you. Like, I got some plays for you. So be ready to make some money if they do. We react. Coach reacts. So if my levels get broke, all right, we turning into pick six season. Y'all already know how we get down after that, okay? If they break Coach's levels, all right, to the downside. SoFi is also going to be on my radar. This one has been getting smacked. Let me see. This one was down 5% last week. Okay. Yeah, so this one is getting smacked too. We're going to see if it can recover this week. See if they forming a double bottom right here or a lower high, and see if this can go back to the upside from 14. But if we lose 14, we coming back to $13 and $12. And so again, if you got long-term costs of 2026, you're good money, chance to buy low, you're going to double your money, you're going to make a whole bunch of money. But in the near term, it might be a little pain. I might look for puts on this too. I'm kind of mad when I seen it didn't break 17. I should have also had puts on this play. Okay, so coach got to tighten up. Coach got to tighten up, because already I'm trying to help you guys play and make money in one direction, but I make money in both directions, and I should have gave you guys plays to do the same. Okay, although it's temporarily, and your calls are going to come back and print and double and do all that stuff. So it's neither here nor there, but this is just hindsight as I look at where these stocks are at right now, and I know better. Okay, Palantir is another one. This one is sitting at 66. If this one don't hold this level, guys, this one is going to come back to the 60s and 50s. Okay, now that's just going to be a huge, big play for us, because we know it's going back to 80 and 84. So if we can get it at 60 or 50 and take it back up to 84, that'll be beautiful. But even if it start coming back up from here, we'll accept that too. For the week, this one was down 16%. Okay, and so yeah, it's almost down. If another 4%, we're gonna be down 20. We're gonna be down 20%. Okay, and so that will be a bear market in the short term. But again, that's an opportunity for us long term. Okay, what else I got on my radar? Okay, that'll be it. It'll just be them particular ones that's going to be my focus, okay? Guys, be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Bring your A game. Everybody else, consider joining the money team, okay? One last thing before we get out of here. I want you guys to check out the Fear and Greed Index, okay? I want you to see where we are at. All right, look at this, okay? You need to understand when to get your plays. And so we are in fear. So we are getting close to buying calls or buying our shares. Guys, you don't just buy willy-nilly. You need to buy when this is in fear. When this is at 25 or below, you buy. So people always say, Coach, when do I buy my plays? When should I buy my stocks? When should I buy my calls? Okay, here's a rule of thumb. Okay, when you see the Fear and Greed Index, 27 ain't bad. So you can buy some stuff here, but do me a favor. You got to put it out 3 weeks. You got to put it out 3 months or 6 months, okay? If you're going to get it now, because it still ain't fully settled yet. Like I said, we got all these catalysts. We got CPI, PPI, and the presidential inauguration and earnings season, okay? But if you can get this at 25 or lower, you're going to hit a home run, because it's going to go from extreme greed all the way, extreme fear all the way to extreme greed, okay? And so that's how you hit your plays consistently, guys, okay? So add the Fear and Greed Index to your bevy of information that I want you guys to make your decisions off of. The VIX is another one, but I'm just going to focus on the Fear and Greed Index. If this is at 30 and below, you can start buying shares and or calls, okay? Because you know stocks are about to go back to the upside, okay? When people are fearful, you get greedy. When people are fearful, look at this, the market is in fear. When they get fearful, you get greedy. Don't panic, because when they panic, we pounce around here, okay? When they get fearful, we get greedy. That means the stock got to run all the way back up. Don't buy when it's extreme greed. That means it's at what stocks is way up here. You got to get them when they down here. Let me know if that's understood, guys. Make sure you checking your 100K email, okay? I'm not the guy that's going to bombard you. I'm going to hit you guys up periodically with the gems you need, okay? Because you guys on it, I'll add some exclusive stuff in there, okay? But don't expect a bunch of emails. I'm not a helicopter manager. I'm not a guy that just do too much in general. So you'll get periodic emails, but don't be looking for no emails every single day. That ain't how I get down. That ain't what the 100K is intended to do. I just need you to have certain type of information and accomplish certain things on our to-do list, okay, throughout the year. All right, so listen, guys, we got to get up out of here, but we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.